Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about classification of programming language. A programming language is any set of rules that programmers follow to develop software programs, scripts, or other sets of instructions for computers to execute. Generally, programming languages are classified into two categories: low level and high level language. High level language are those languages in which a set of instructions written for computer system in human friendly language without the depth knowledge of hardware involved. Python, C++, etc. fall under this category. And low-level languages are those languages that requires a set of instructions written for computer system either in machine level 0 and 1 or in mnemonics assembly level with the proper knowledge of hardware involved. The two major key points here are that the language is human friendly and depth knowledge of hardware is not necessary to write a program using high level language. On the contrary, low level language is neither human friendly nor easy to write due to necessity of hardware knowledge. Low level language is further classified into two subcategories, machine level and assembly level. And similarly, high level language is further classified into three subcategories, procedure oriented language, problem oriented language, and natural language. First generation language, or sometimes refers to as 1GL, also called as machine language. Machine language is a collection of binary digits or bits that the computer reads and interprets. Machine language is the only language that a computer is capable of understanding because it is written in zeros and ones. Second generation language are low level assembly language. They use mnemonics code, for example add, move, sub, etc. and commonly used for video editing and video games. Third generation language falls under procedure oriented language category of high level language. It uses English and mathematical statements. Example Java, JS, Python, C++, C, etc. Fourth generation language falls under problem oriented language category of high level language. They are commonly used in database programming and scripts such as Perl, Python, PHP, SQL, etc. Fifth generation language falls under natural language category of high level language. They are programming language that contains either visual tools or sentences as statements to help develop a program. It is still in development stage. Examples of fifth generation language includes Mercury, OPS5, Prolog, etc. So programs written in high level language needs to be translated to machine level language, binary, before execution, because a computer does not understand high level language. It only understands binary or machine level language. For this purpose, we require a language translator. There are generally three language translators: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. We will be discussing about them in next lecture. So let us understand the problems here. How are programs written in high level language executed by the machine if machine only understand binary language? It is similar to saying like if you are familiar with Nepali language and if someone speaks in Russian, then how would you understand it? You would need a language translator. Why are programs written in high level language instead of a low level language? On the same example, you can say like, why are you speaking in Russian? Why can't you speak in Nepali? I can only understand Nepali. What are the steps involved in execution of a C program? So how does a C program is actually executed? We will discuss all about this in our next lecture. Thank you for watching.